guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another video featuring a newer brand. So I'm super excited to work with them this time. I've never worked with them or even tried any of their units before, so I am definitely excited to see what their wigs are all about. But anyways guys, be sure to check the description area down below where I'll have all of their information listed. It comes from the brand CurlyMe.com. okay, so anyways, this is what they sent me. This is their Italian Yaki 13 inches ear to ear, 4 inches back lace front wig. As you guys can see, this is their glueless cap, so it does come with the combs on the inside as well as an adjustable strap. So this is how the hair looks directly out of the box. You guys can see that lace is the regular transparent colored lace, and the density on this one is 150%, so it's very full, and the length is very long. It is a whopping 26 inches on me. This wig is not customized, so I'm really excited to get my hands dirty and see what I can do to make this wig look realistic. So first things first, what I'm going to do is bleach those knots because they did not come bleached. If you guys do check out their website, you can look around. Maybe they do have customized units available, so let me know. But I'll be sure to link everything that I do use down below. I have several videos on how I make it, so definitely check out those. But I allow the bleach to sit on my knots for about 45 minutes, and this is how it looks. And I like to take my purple shampoo, apply that onto the knots so that I can get that brassy tone off. And then I'm going to go in and shampoo and condition the hair. So this is how the hair looks once it is nice and clean, and this is the amount of shading that I did get with this heavy density wig. But here you guys can see how those knots look. It is a little tiny bit over bleached, but that is okay guys. I'm going to fix it, no biggie. But what I am going to do here is soften up that hairline. So I am taking out the front perimeter because I will use that for some wispy hairs later, and I'm just going to take a straight edged tweezer and just go and just pluck in lines just so that I can get a realistic look.
I'm needing a cure for these cravings. Yeah, I've been into you right now. You'll be in here's all that I need. That's why when I call, I'm saying I miss you. Just come back to me. Oh, I need that face to face, no FaceTime. All this distance got me losing my mind.
So now that my hairline is nice and tweezed, I'm going to go for a blown out look with this particular wig. So I'm going to take a little bit of my Mazzani leave-in as well as my Beyond Straight Hair Serum. I really like this serum because once you apply it to the hair and use a blow dryer, it's going to get the hair nice and straight without the use of a flat iron. So I like to apply a little bit to that hair as well as use my hair dryer with a concentrator nozzle and a round brush, keeping that volume in there as well as getting the hair nice and dried. Now that the hair is nice and dry, you guys can see that the wig still has a lot of body. Movement is incredibly soft, so I really do like that serum with straight units. But for this particular style, I am opting for a side part, so I went ahead and placed that in there. You guys want to be careful because it is 4 inches back, so you guys don't run into the track like I did. Take some wax and apply that to the hairline just so that I can get a very sleek look. And taking my hot comb, I'm just going to go ahead and lay it as well as the use of some foaming wrap mousse just to kind of keep that hair nice and slick. Now this next part is completely optional. I actually didn't like it. This is one thing that I actually regret doing, and it's the baby hairs. Okay, baby hairs are good on most occasions when you're dealing with the wig, but with this particular one, I wish that I just opted out of it because it was just doing too much. It really wasn't giving. I had a vision in my head where I just wanted to kind of look like soft baby hairs, just kind of going with the flow of the hair. However, it was just not giving. So if I can do this over again, I will actually style it without the baby hairs, because I do feel like without the baby hairs it would have really gave us a really natural look. But anyways, guys, this is the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and get this wig on so we can see how it looks.
I was really feeling you when you left, yeah. No one makes me miss him like you do, and that's dangerous. So I'ma need you to catch a flight real quick.
So as you guys can see, those baby hairs just aren't giving. But anyways, I'm going to focus on the hair. I really want this hair to kind of frame my head and my face. So I did take a little bit of my wax stick as well as my hot comb to kind of lay the top of the hair. I also like to go with my LA Pro concealer and place that inside of the parting space, as well as some MAC powder to kind of get that lace to blend right into my complexion.
On my mind, want you wrapped up in me till we can unwind. I need that face to face, no FaceTime. Oh yeah, I need you here with me, face to face.
So now that I have the hair flat ironed and framing my face, you guys can see that texture up close. It still has a lot of texture in the hair, but I must say this is one of the softest Italian Yaki units I think I've ever had. So I will say A+ to CurlyMe for that. Now again, here are the angles of the hair. The hair is 26 inches and it falls into my butt area in 150% density, but it feels much fuller than that. That's why I love this texture of hair. Now with this particular wig, you're going to get a lot of body, a lot of volume, as well as you don't have to adhere the wig down. The lace will blend right into your skin. So that is the A+ for me. Again, guys, let me know what you think of CurlyMe's wigs, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Got a new look, blocked your phone, you can't try, but they always come